Yes, good morning.
Good
So,
morning, sir.
good morning. We have done till which question? We have started
Sir,
doing
we
the
have
last.
done
Sorry,
J question.
we have not started the exercise 9.2. Have we started it?
No, sir.
No.
Sir, today we will do exercise last two questions.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday there was. I was not having a period in your class yesterday. It was. I was not having any period in your class yesterday. Yes, Bhakti beta. Now, what are you saying, Bhakti? Beta, your mic is off.
Sir, I am telling I am seeing from sir 2 minutes.
Sorry. Again,
Sir, no. Sir, no.
nothing.
Sir,
Ah,
yeah, on yesterday your period is no. Sir,
it was
आपको
not
period
there.
date हो.
There was no period. I was not having a period yesterday. So let's start. 10 students are there. Let's wait for a few more seconds. So in exercise 9.1, we have done till question J. We have
Yes,
to
sir.
start doing question K, which is addition of decimal numbers. We will learn how to add decimal numbers.
Yes, sir.
Now this is question K. First part of the question, 62.78 plus 27.6. Now, before adding two decimal numbers, you all must count the number of decimal places in both the numbers. What is the number of decimal places in the first number?
Sir, 2.
In
Sir,
the
10th place.
There are two decimal numbers, two decimal digits. After the decimal, there are two digits. So we say that there are two decimal places. In the second number, there is only one digit after decimal. So there is only one decimal place. So what we will
So,
do,
sir, we will add 0.
here we add another zero. You add another zero in the second number. Now the number of decimal places are equal in both the numbers. Now you add the numbers 62.78 plus 27.60. Now add the numbers 8 plus 8 and add in the same manner. The only thing is that you will just copy down the decimal at the same place. Just simply add the numbers and copy down the decimal at the same place. Okay. Two digits from the right. So 3, 1 will be carried. 3 plus 7 is 10, 0, 1 again carried. 90.38. So in the same manner, exactly in the same manner we have added. Just the thing is that decimal is copied at the same place. Two
Okay,
digits
sir.
from the right. Okay. Understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
In the same manner, we do subtraction also. So start doing the questions. Do all the parts of both the questions K and I. Sorry, K and L. Both the questions.
Okay, sir. So we can do second. Laro, Laro, Laro. No.
प्रिंस दादा उला
प्रेम जाइए।
हाँ
I saw all of you.
सब बातें समझो ये तुम पाओ उन्हें जाके
Also, have you all done all the questions? All the parts?
Yes, sir. Only
Sir,
one is
all
left.
are there. Yes, sir.
Sir, till the fourth.
So you are at the
Sir,
fourth
I have done
of
the
subtraction.
K1.
Abhiyan beta,
Yes, sir.
you are doing the fourth part.
Sir,
Sir,
the
I am also
K1.
doing the
K,
K1 whole size done.
which one? Sorry. I'm sorry, I am not able to understand. Sorry, what?
Sir, this one whole.
You are showing something. Wait.
Sir, this one.
Let me search. Let me search. Wait. Yeah, and which one? K, you are doing, you
Sir,
are not,
this one whole done.
Acha, why whole left? You are not doing.
No, no, sir. Fourth also left.
The fourth one is left.
Fourth also done.
The fourth also done.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Now do the L part also.
I am
Subtract.
also on board.
Do the L part also. Subtraction of decimal numbers. Quickly do it. I'm giving you 2 more minutes. All of you, 2 more minutes to complete. Those who have not completed, please complete in 2 minutes. And then after 2 minutes, I will start how to find the product, how to multiply decimal numbers. Exercise 9.2. Okay, after 2 minutes. Okay, now we are starting with exercise 9.2. All of you, please pay attention. Exercise 9.2. Multiplication of decimal numbers. First question, please pay attention. It is very easy. 15.23 multiplied by 7. You have to multiply 15.23 by 7. So you all know how to multiply. Simple multiplication you all know. So simply just
Yes, sir.
multiply the two numbers, and in the end there is a little change that I will tell you. In the end you have to do just one thing. First multiply in the simple manner. 7 into 2, 3 is 21. 2 carried. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 1 carried. 7 into 5, 35. 35 plus 1, 36. 1 carried. Sorry, 3 carried. 7 into 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So this is the product. 10661. Now what you have to do for the decimal? We have multiplied the numbers. Just how we are going to write the decimal, where the decimal will come. Count the number of decimal places in the number. In the first number, it is a decimal number. Count the number of decimal places. 2 decimal places are there. There are 2 digits after decimal. 2 digits are there. So in your answer, start from the right hand side. Count 2 digits. 1, 2. 2 digits. Leave 2 digits and then insert a decimal. Because there are 2 digits in the question. 2 decimal digits are there in the question. So in your answer also, you will start from the right side, count 2 digits and then insert a decimal. It is very easy. Have you all understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Understood. Yes, sir.
Okay, so start doing first, second, and third part. Do the first, second, and third part.
Sir, I have gone to washroom, sir. What we are doing, sir, please tell.
Ah, very good. Want to washroom? We are doing multiplication of decimal numbers, exercise 9.2.
Okay, sir.
Pay attention. This is Bharat. Who's this? Who was this? Who had gone to washroom?
I think he was Bharat only.
Bharat. Wahid beta, please turn off your mic. Mute yourself. So I will be explaining the third one also. Those who have any doubt or if anyone is there who has not understood, please pay attention on the board again. Third one, 38.35. This is your number. You have to multiply this by 14. First of all, 4 into 5, 20. 4, 3, 12, 14, 4, 1, 32, 33,
Sir, done.
12
Sir,
plus
done.
15. Now 5, 3,
Sir.
So now add 0, 4 plus 5, 9, 3 plus 3, 6, 5 plus 8, 13, 1 carry, 5. Now we have just multiplied these two numbers in a simple manner. Just multiplying the two numbers. This is your product. Now what to do of the decimal? How many decimal places are there in the first number? There are
Sir, 2.
2 decimal places. So in your answer, go to your answer. Start from the right side. 1, 2. Count 2 digits. 1, 2, and leave 2 digits and insert the decimal. Leave 2 digits and then insert the decimal, because there are 2 decimal places. So I will leave 2 digits from the right and insert the decimal. So what is your answer? 536.90 is the answer. Clear, everyone? Have you all done the first,
Yes,
second,
sir.
all the 3 parts?
Yes, sir.
Sir, done 1, 2, and 3.
Very good. Let's start the 4th one.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have not done, sir. Please wait.
Do it quickly. Okay, now question number 4. Pay attention, everyone. 4th part. 28.12. This is a little different. So I want you all to pay attention on the board. This is little different. 4.8 and 28.12. These are the numbers. You have to multiply the two numbers. Look at the board, everyone. I hope you all are attentive and paying attention.
Yes, sir.
Now, multiply in the simple manner first. 8 into 2, 16, 1, 9. 8 into 8, 64, 6. 8 into 2, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. Cross. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 8, 32. 3.
Sir, means some changes are there in this multiplication. Otherwise, it's fully same.
Yes, yes, yes. Now adding the
Yes.
6. 9 plus 8, 17. And carried 9, 4, 3, 1. So this is the product. Now what?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, I have that fourth one. I was writing second one, but written solution.
Your voice is not clear, beta. Tell again.
In fourth one solution, I was writing second one, but after one there is fourth, and I have written that.
No problem. You can change the question number now. Now this, we have multiplied the two numbers. Now all of you, this is the main part. This is the main part now. Please, everyone, pay attention. How many decimal places are there in the first number?
2.
2.
2.
And in the second number, how many decimal places are there?
1.
1.
Decimal places कितने हो गए? 2 plus 1.
3.
Three decimal places are there total. Count the total number of decimal places. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Three decimal places are there in both the numbers. Total number of decimal places are 3. So start from the right side. Right hand side से start करिए and count 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. After leaving 3 digits, insert the decimal. 1, 2, 3. Three digits from the right side. 1, 2, 3, and then insert the decimal. This is your answer. Simple. 134.976. This is the answer. Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
It is
Yes,
very,
sir.
very easy. No problem
Yes,
at all.
sir.
Okay, so start doing all the parts now.
So we have to, sir. So we have to do 12th.
All the 12 parts. Till question number 12. All the parts. Do them.
Sir. Sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta. Yes.
Sir, fifth वाला नहीं आ रहा.
You're not able to do the fifth one.
Yes,
Same.
sir. Sixth one.
Okay, see this. I will do it. Fifth one. 5.5.
Sir, sixth.
Fifth. Sorry. Which one?
Sir,
Sir,
sixth.
he is saying
Sixth.
sixth one.
Sixth one, not
Sixth.
fifth. Okay. Sixth one. 8.17 multiplied by 3.6. Okay, this one.
Yes, sir.
6 into 7, 42. 4 carried. 6 into 1, 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0. 1 carried. 6 into 8 is 48 plus 1 is 49. 3 into 7, 21. 2 carried. 5. 3 into 8 is 24. So this is the product. 2 plus 0, 2. 1, 14, 14, 9, and 2. So this is your product. Now count the number of decimal places. 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal digits are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places are there. Total number of decimal places are 3. 2 decimal places in the first number and 1 decimal place in the second number. So total number of decimal places are 3. So start from
29.112.
So it will be 29.412. 29.4.
Yes, sir. Yes. ठीक.
The answer.
Thank you, sir.
Any other doubt? Meeting is about to end.
No, sir.
We will continue this. I hope you all will do the questions.
Yes, sir.